Let's talk about something that separates the marketers who dabble from the ones who dominate. It's not talent, it's not budget, it's volume, and the ability to keep generating, keep testing, and keep scaling without hitting a wall. That's exactly where the Adstorm 50K credits boost changes everything. If you've already discovered what Adstorm can do, pumping out AI-generated ads for Facebook, Google, TikTok, YouTube, Pinterest, and more, then you already know how powerful this platform is. But here's the thing most people don't talk about. Credits are the engine. Without enough of them, even the best AI ad tool in the world becomes a sports car stuck in a parking lot. The 50K credits boost blows the doors wide open. Imagine having 50,000 credits loaded into your account, ready to deploy whenever inspiration strikes, whenever a campaign needs a refresh, or whenever you spot a hot niche and want to move fast before the window closes. That's not just convenience. That's competitive advantage in its rawest form. Think about what that actually means in the real world. You're not rationing your ad creations like a starving artist counting paint drops. You're running multiple campaigns simultaneously, testing different angles, different hooks, different visuals, all at once. You're finding winners faster, you're killing losers quicker, and you're doing it all without waiting, without pausing, and without that sinking feeling when your credits run dry at the worst possible moment. Here's what really matters. In digital advertising, speed wins. The marketer who can iterate faster, test more variables, and pivot quickly is the one who eats. The 50K credits boost makes you that marketer. Whether you're running campaigns for your own products, managing ads for clients, or building an agency that needs consistent, professional-grade creative output every single day, this upgrade isn't optional. It's essential. And here's the part that should genuinely excite you. Adstorm already handles text ads, image ads, carousel ads, video ads, and story formats across every major platform. Pair that with 50,000 credits sitting in your arsenal, and you're not just playing the game anymore, you're setting the pace. So the question isn't whether 50K credits is enough. The question is, what are you going to build with all that firepower? Stick around, because we're about to show you exactly that.